It has never been a better time if you are in the market for a new premium smartphone. From the OnePlus 8 to Xiaomi's Mi 10, and now we have the all-new iPhone SE. No matter what ecosystem you prefer, there's an option for you. We will compare them to see how much of a threat the iPhone SE is to the Androids, and also amongst the three, which one comes on top. Design. While the new iPhone SE brings back the iconic 4.7-inch screen, the design lacks newness. It feels old school with big bezels surrounding the screen. The Mi 10 and OnePlus are beautiful looking phones and are designed with a curved edge-to-edge display with a punch-hole camera and no bezels. Both the Mi 10 and OnePlus 8 come with a 90Hz refresh rate and wins the point here. The SE has a Touch ID enabled in the home button. The Mi 10 and the OnePlus 8 have the in-display fingerprint scanner. Both the Androids have Face Unlock, which the iPhone SE lacks. Display. We wish Apple would have given the SE a more superior display. It settles with a Retina display and 60Hz screen refresh rate, whereas the other two have higher pixels per inch and even bigger display, with Mi 10 being slightly larger than the OnePlus 8. Processor. The processor is where the iPhone SE takes the Androids head-on and beats them. It comes with Apple's fastest A13 chipset that makes it incredibly fast. Both the OnePlus 8 and the Mi 10 brag of Snapdragon 865 inside, which is the best in its segment. The SE wins this point. RAM. Even though iPhone SE has just 3GB of RAM, Apple has excellent RAM management. The Mi 10 comes with 8GB and the OnePlus has 3 RAM variants: 6GB, 8GB and 12GB. Camera. The Mi 10 has a whopping 108-megapixel quad camera setup, followed by OnePlus 8 with a 48 triple camera at the back, and the iPhone SE comes with a 12-megapixel rear camera. The iPhone SE, even with a single lens, clicks great photos. In fact, the other two also click awesome pictures and have more versatility thanks to more lenses. But the Mi 10 has an edge here. The iPhone SE lacks the night mode while the other two own it. The same goes for the front camera. The Mi 10 has an advantage here, even though we like the portrait mode on the iPhone SE better. We will do a camera comparison in detail when we get the OnePlus 8 in hand. Battery. Mi 10 wins this point with a slightly larger battery capacity than the OnePlus and significantly more than iPhone SE. Software. The iPhone SE runs on Apple's iOS 13, one of the main reasons to like this phone. The Mi 10 runs on the MIUI 11 based on Android 10, and the OnePlus 8 has the Oxygen OS 10 on Android. We do prefer the OnePlus 8 user interface over that of the Mi 10. IP rating. For premium phones, one of the key features is the IP rating. The iPhone SE has an IP67 rating, marking it water and dust resistant, while the Androids don't. Price. The iPhone SE is priced starting $42,500 for the 3GB 64GB variant, and the OnePlus 8 is priced starting 41,999 rupees for the 6GB 128GB variant. The Mi 10 is priced starting 49,999 rupees for the 8GB 128GB variant. Verdict. The Mi 10 and the OnePlus 8 promise the world in a smartphone. While the Mi 10 is priced higher than the OnePlus 8 for the base variant, it does offer a 108-megapixel quad camera setup and better battery life, plus it looks good. The OnePlus 8, on the other hand, is a good value for money option with a neat user interface. Of course, both the Mi 10 and the OnePlus 8 bring a lot more to the table than the iPhone SE in this budget. But the iPhone SE, with its emphasis on performance, long-term support and exceptional app ecosystem, does make for a good choice if you want your first iPhone. But if it's not an iPhone you want in this budget and you are looking for the best you can get, we suggest taking a good look at these Androids.